Have you ever wondered what would happen if Saturn's rings disappeared? Picture this. Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun, known for its striking icy rings, suddenly stripped of its most distinguishing feature. Quite an enigma, isn't it? Saturn's rings have long been a source of intrigue and fascination. They're like the crown jewels of our solar system, a celestial spectacle that has captured the awe and curiosity of astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. These rings are not just beautiful, they're also immensely complex, a cosmic labyrinth of ice, dust, and rock, all entwined in a delicate dance around the gas giant. But did you know that these stunning rings are actually quite young? Yes, in the grand scheme of the universe, Saturn's rings are practically in their infancy. They were formed approximately 100 million years ago, during the age of the dinosaurs here on Earth. To put that into perspective, our planet is over 4.5 billion years old. So, Saturn's rings are a relatively recent addition to our celestial neighborhood. Among all the planets in our solar system, Saturn's rings stand out as the most spectacular and complex. While other gas giants like Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune also have ring systems, none can compete with the splendor and intricacy of Saturn's. They're a testament to the beauty and diversity of our universe, a stunning sight that continues to captivate us. Yet, despite their beauty and complexity, these rings are not a permanent fixture. They're constantly changing, shaped by the forces of gravity and time. The same forces that created these rings are also slowly pulling them back into Saturn. It's a slow process, but in a few 100 million years, these rings could completely disappear. But what if one day, these impressive rings just vanished? It's a question that might soon have an answer, but that's a story for another scene. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the enigma of Saturn's rings. Imagine looking up at the night sky in 2025 and finding Saturn's rings gone. A startling thought, isn't it? This celestial illusion is due to a fascinating event known as ring plane crossing. As Saturn spins on its axis, there comes a time when its iconic rings align edge-on with our line of sight from Earth. The rings, vast and vibrant, suddenly seem to vanish, hidden by the thinness of their edge. This phenomenon, as mesmerizing as it is not a rarity. Saturn's rings have played this cosmic game of hide-and-seek before. The last time we experienced this was back in 2009. Fast forward about 16 years, we are due for another round. Mark your calendars for March 23rd, 2025, when the rings will again align precisely edge-on, essentially becoming invisible to observers on Earth. But let's delve a little deeper into why this happens. Saturn, like all planets, rotates on an axis. But unlike most planets, Saturn's axis is tilted at an angle of about 26 degrees relative to its orbit around the Sun. This tilt, coupled with Saturn's 30-year journey around the Sun, results in the rings periodically turning edge-on from our perspective. As we approach the date, the rings will become increasingly narrow, reaching the point of invisibility only to slowly reappear again. This celestial dance is a sight to behold, a testament to the intricate and dynamic nature of our solar system. So, as 2025 approaches and Saturn's rings seem to fade into the cosmic background, remember this is but a momentary illusion. But don't worry, Saturn's rings are not truly lost, only hidden from our sight. Before we continue our journey into the future of Saturn's rings, we'd like to invite you to become an active part of our cosmic exploration. Here on our YouTube channel, we delve into the mysteries of the cosmos, from the enigmatic rings of Saturn to the farthest reaches of the universe. Your subscription helps us create more content like this and will keep you updated on all our latest explorations. Don't miss out on your chance to be among the first to know about our new videos and updates. Think of it as your personal portal to the cosmos, a gateway to understanding the mysteries of the universe. So if you're enjoying this journey through the cosmos and want to know more about our incredible universe, consider subscribing to our channel. Together, we can continue to explore and understand the mysteries of the universe. Now, back to our journey through the rings of Saturn. Yet, the future of Saturn's rings may not be as stable as we think. This celestial ballet of ice and rock, trapped in an eternal dance around the gas giant, is slowly succumbing to the pull of Saturn's gravity. Bit by bit, these icy particles are being drawn into the planet, setting the stage for a future where the majestic rings may no longer exist. Scientists estimate that if this process continues unabated, we could be looking at a ringless Saturn in as little as 300 million years. That might seem like a long time, but in the grand cosmic timescale, it's akin to a fleeting moment. But this isn't the only threat facing the rings. The Cassini spacecraft, during its mission to study Saturn up close, unveiled another fascinating yet alarming discovery. It found that material from the rings is falling into Saturn's equator. This ring rain, as it's affectionately called, could accelerate the disappearance of the rings, potentially reducing their lifespan to a mere 100 million years. This process is akin to a celestial sand timer, with each grain of icy material that falls into Saturn bringing the planet one step closer to a ringless existence. It's a sobering reminder of the transient nature of even the most enduring celestial phenomena. What's even more intriguing is that Saturn's rings are relatively young, forming just about 100 million years ago. Isn't it fascinating to think that dinosaurs could have looked up and seen a Saturn without rings? And in the not-so-distant future, our descendants might witness the same sight. So while we may not see the rings disappear in our lifetime, the clock is ticking. Even as we marvel at the beauty of Saturn's rings today, we must remember that they are in a constant state of change, slowly but surely marching towards an inevitable end. The universe, as it seems, is full of such beautiful ephemera. As we look forward to 2025, the disappearance of Saturn's rings holds great significance. This celestial event, while not a true disappearance, serves as a stark reminder of the transient nature of the universe. As the rings of Saturn go edge-on, they'll become practically invisible to the naked eye, a rare spectacle indeed. This phenomenon underscores the fact that while some things in space may seem eternal, they are in fact in a constant state of flux. Saturn's rings, those majestic halos that have captivated observers for centuries, will seem to vanish only to reappear later, showcasing the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our cosmos. This event is a testament to the fact that we are part of an ever-evolving universe, one that is full of surprises and constantly challenges our understanding. So, mark your calendars for March 23rd, 2025, and witness the rare spectacle of Saturn without its rings, reminding us of the ever-evolving cosmos we are a part of.